Hello and welcome back to another Canva hack. Now this one is the bulk create option that will save you a lot of time and energy, especially when you're making awards for a sports team, perfect attendance, honor roll, any end of the year awards that you may have. So instead of typing each individual student's name and accomplishment, you can actually go ahead and narrow this down with Canva. So the first thing that you'll need to do is find a template. So I just went in here and I typed in award, and you have all sorts of options that they've already created for you. You can, as always, go ahead and manipulate those and put those in, and it'll just make things go a whole lot faster. Now I found one that I liked. I'm going to use athletes as my example, so I found an athlete template. Now in Google Sheets, what I've done is I've typed up all of my information, and this has my athlete, their sport, and what team they played for. Now for this, I want to make sure that I have a CSV file. This Google Sheets is not in that right now. So I need to go up to File, Download, and pick this comma separated values or your CSV file. And then you will download that to your desktop. I can go back to my template, and I'm going to go over here to the bottom left where it says apps. And then I'm going to type in bulk create. This first option right here is the one that you're going to want. Now you can type in your information manually. I do not suggest it because it's a lot of work. Instead, we're just going to upload that file that we downloaded previously. Now bulk create has picked up that we have 3 different fields of content, which is exactly what I've got here: athlete, sport, team. What we need to do is match up each one of these fields with a field over here on our template. So I'm going to click right here where my name is, and this is just the name that the template came up with, and I'm going to right click and select Connect Data. Now I know that this is where my names are going to be, so I'm going to click Athlete, and you'll see over here it checks off that it's identified what file it needs to go into. The next one I'm going to click is Sport. Again, right click, connect, sport, and I get a check. And then my team is going to be my last one. Now, one thing to keep in mind is make sure that your template is exactly the way that you want it to appear on the certificate. If you need to change fonts, sizing, lettering, anything like that, you need to go ahead and do that before you do this process. But once you've got everything selected, you can come over here and click Continue. It will show you all the fields that it's going to enter in the information, and then you just click Generate 17 pages. Now it's going to open up a different tab for you, but when I scroll through, you can see that all of my information is there. You will have some instances where you might need to change some different things, but at least this saves you some time of typing everything in, and then you can manipulate each one individually. And that's all you need to do for bulk create. That's it. Thank you.